Hello everyone, welcome to this series on cultural studies, and this video is the second part of the Black Arts Movement. Introduction. The Black Arts Movement, a separatist black cultural movement, emerged in the mid to late 1960s, primarily in urban areas of the United States. This movement, characterized by its radical stance against mainstream culture, was driven by a diverse group of dramatists, poets, and critics. It sought to create a unique black aesthetic and cultural identity separate from the dominant white culture. This video explores the key practitioners and advocates of the movement, its ideology and goals, methods of raising black consciousness, means of creating cultural autonomy, community engagement, impact and innovations, criticism, and legacy. Key practitioners and advocates. The Black Arts Movement was championed by numerous influential figures who played pivotal roles in its development and propagation. Among these were Amiri Baraka, Ed Bullins, Mari Evans, Hoyt W. Fuller, Addison Gale Jr., Nikki Giovanni, Stephen Henderson, Ron Karenga, Haki Madhubuti, Ron Miller, Larry Neal, Caroline Rogers, and Sonia Sanchez. These individuals, through their works and advocacy, significantly contributed to the shaping of the movement's direction and objectives. Ideology and goals. Central to the Black Arts Movement was the ideology of black cultural nationalism. This ideology emphasized the belief that black people in the United States possessed a unique set of aesthetic and cultural values that necessitated indigenous modes of appreciation, entirely separate from those of the surrounding white culture. The movement's primary goal was to cultivate and propagate these unique cultural values, thereby fostering a distinct black identity, raising black consciousness. One of the movement's critical objectives was to raise black consciousness and liberate the black community from the false consciousness imposed by participation in mainstream American culture. The proponents of the Black Arts Movement believed that creating an autonomous black cultural community was essential for achieving this goal. This involved developing a distinct cultural narrative that resonated with the experiences and values of black Americans. Means of creating autonomy. To create an autonomous black cultural community, the movement's advocates established several independent cultural institutions and publications. Notable among them were journals like Journal of Black Poetry and Black Book Bulletin. Publishing houses such as Broadside Press, Jihad Press, and Third World Press, and theatre groups including Amiri Baraka's Harlem Black Arts Repertory Theatre School and Barbara Ann Tier's National Black Theatre. Additionally, cultural organizations like Spirit House in Newark and the Black Academy of Arts and Letters played crucial roles in promoting the movement's objectives. Cultural events and activities. The Black Arts Movement was marked by a vibrant array of cultural events and activities aimed at engaging the black community and fostering a sense of cultural pride and solidarity. These included street plays, poetry readings, concerts, lectures, exhibitions, and creative writing workshops. The explicit goal of these events was to fashion an alternative system of values for the black community, distinct from the mainstream cultural narratives. Impact and innovations. The Black Arts Movement had a profound impact on black literature and culture, enabling remarkable formal innovations across various genres. The movement's advocates developed a distinct black aesthetic program that, despite facing criticism from subsequent generations of black writers, succeeded in promoting a powerful sense of Black cultural pride and solidarity. This program fostered a cultural renaissance that enriched Black literature with new themes, styles, and forms. Criticism and legacy. Despite its achievements, the Black arts movement has been subject to criticism from later generations of Black writers and critics. Some argue that the movement's separatist stance and rigid cultural nationalism were overly restrictive and not reflective of the diversity within the Black community. However, the movement's legacy remains significant, having left an indelible mark on Black literature and culture. It catalyzed a period of intense creativity and cultural pride, the effects of which continue to be felt today. Key readings. For those interested in further exploring the Black arts movement, several key readings provide valuable insights. Houston A. Baker Jr.'s Afro-American Poetics, Revisions of Harlem and the Black Aesthetic 1988 offers a comprehensive analysis of the movement's impact on Black literary theory. Black Fire, edited by Leroy Jones and Larry Neal, 1968, is an essential anthology of works from the movement. Larry Neal's article, The Black Arts Movement, 1971-72, provides an in-depth exploration of the movement's philosophy and goals. David Leonel Smith's The Black Arts Movement and Its Critics, 1991, examines the criticisms and legacy of the movement. Conclusion. The Black Arts Movement was a pivotal cultural movement that sought to establish a distinct Black cultural identity. Through the efforts of its practitioners and advocates, the movement succeeded in raising Black consciousness, creating autonomous cultural institutions, and fostering a vibrant array of cultural activities. Despite facing criticism, the movement left a lasting legacy of cultural pride and literary innovation. The Black Arts Movement remains a testament to the power of cultural nationalism and the enduring quest for cultural autonomy. So this was the second part of Black Arts Movement. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you.